orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
A newborn baby arrives home. It was a Sunday and Gattu and Chinky were sleeping peacefully. But then mom comes in and wakes both of them up.
Gattu, Chinky, get up quickly and help me in cleaning.
What? But why, Mummy?
Get up quickly and clean your rooms thoroughly and change the bed sheets also. The baby will lie here when he comes.
Hearing the name of the baby, Gattu and Chinky suddenly wake up and remember everything from last night.
Good news, the baby has arrived. What? Oh wow, this is such a great news. Gattu, Chinky, your little baby friend has arrived in this world.
Yay! Baby has arrived!
I'll bring the baby there tomorrow morning because it will be too far to go straight to my home from the hospital. Oh, this is really great, Swati. I'll get everything ready beforehand. Come here completely tension-free.
Mummy hangs up the phone and happily says to Gattu Chinky,
The baby is coming tomorrow.
Yay! It'll be so much fun!
Oh yes, Mummy, I remember. The baby is coming. Come on, Chinky, let's quickly change the bed sheets and clean the room properly.
Okay, let's go, Gattu.
Gattu Chinky quickly get up and start cleaning the room.
Baby! Yay!
Gattu, Chinky, Mummy and Papa quickly go and open the gate. Swati auntie was standing outside with the baby and Swati auntie's husband Manish uncle was also there.
Come, please come inside. You all look really very excited, but the baby fell asleep just now. So talk quietly. Okay, Auntie, we won't scream at all.
Auntie comes inside, takes the baby and sits on the chair. Gattu, Chinky, Mummy and Papa all start looking at the baby carefully.
She's so tiny. I can remember Gattu, Chinky when they were born.
You're right. By the way, this baby looks so peaceful.
Auntie, can I touch her cheeks and see?
No, Chinky. You shouldn't touch a newborn baby like that and should always observe it from a distance because they can get infected very quickly.
Oh, okay, Mummy.
By the way, Auntie, when will this baby wake up? Kids, she doesn't sleep for long. She will wake up soon. Just a little while.
Come on, Gattu. In the meantime, we'll get her some toys from the room.
Okay, let's go, Chinky. Swati, I'll also get breakfast for you and Manish Bhaiya. You guys must have not eaten anything since morning, right?
Yes, you're absolutely right. I was feeling very hungry too. Mummy goes to the kitchen to prepare breakfast and Gattu goes to Chinky's room to get toys. But as Gattu comes out of the room with the toys, his foot slips and he falls on the ground with a thud.
Hey, what have you done, Gattu? Look, the baby got up and started crying.
Swati auntie stands up and tries to calm the baby down.
Hey, my baby, be quiet. Dear princess, be quiet.
Auntie, should we try to calm the baby down? We have bought toys too.
Oh, okay, Chinky. Baby, look, meet Chinky Didi and Gattu Bhaiya.
Auntie sits back on the chair and the baby, while crying, looks towards Gattu Chinky.
Look, baby, look!
But the baby was still crying.
Chinky, get aside. Let me try. I'm her brother. Just wait and see. She'll stop crying.
Gattu comes over to the front and starts making some funny faces. Seeing Gattu, the baby really calms down.
Hey, baby, look.
Oh wow, Gattu! The baby really calmed down after seeing you.
Uncle, that's because Gattu is a #1 joker.
No, it's not like that. But the baby likes me more than you. That's why she went quiet after seeing me.
Okay, now move aside. I'll show her how to juggle.
Chinky pushes Gattu away and starts juggling with the balls again. Now the baby is also watching Chinky attentively.
See, Gattu, she's quiet after seeing me too.
Okay, now move aside. It's my turn. I'll show her this monkey stuffed toy.
No, Gattu, she's liking my juggling.
No, Chinky, move aside. It's my turn. Hey, Gattu, Chinky, look. The baby is smiling looking at you guys.
Gattu and Chinky forget their fight and start looking at the baby smiling. And they find the baby very cute.
Wow, her smile is so cute.
You're right. If she smiles like this, then we both can fight for the whole day. Right, Chinky?
Yes, me too.
Come on, you both. You both are really very sweet.
Just then, Mummy brings breakfast for Manish uncle and Swati auntie.
Come on, Swati, Manish bhaiya, you both eat breakfast. I'll take care of the baby in the meantime. But first we need to change the baby's diaper. Then you can take her.
Hey, I bought diapers for newborn babies from the market this morning.
Oh wow, bhai saab. You did a great job.
Go get to Chinky. Get the packet of diapers.
Okay.
Gattu Chinky give the diapers to Swati auntie. She changes the baby's diaper. She then lays the baby down on Gattu Chinky's bed. And the baby starts watching everything very carefully. Gattu, Chinky and Mummy were sitting there.
This is our room. Our means mine and Chinky Didi's. When you grow up, we are going to play a lot over here.
And baby, all the toys that are here will be yours too. We are going to have a lot of fun.
Gattu Chinky, you both are such wonderful brother and sister. Look, the baby's eyes are so beautiful.
You are right, Mummy. And her fingers are so small.
Chinky puts her hand between the baby's hands and starts measuring.
Chinky, forget the fingers. Look at her feet. They are also so small.
You are right, Gattu.
Just then, Swati auntie, Papa and Manish uncle come in from behind.
It seems you guys are having a great time with the baby. Yes, you are right. But now we will have to go. I'll bring the baby back. What, Auntie? Can't you stay here for a few days?
Yes, Auntie. We'll take good care of the baby.
Kids, that's not possible. The baby's grandmother and the other relatives also need to meet the baby.
Yes, that's right.
But you promise us, you are going to bring the baby back to meet us soon.
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, Gattu Chinky, I promise.
Then Swati auntie and Manish uncle leave with the baby. And Gattu Chinky become very sad.
Hey kids, don't be sad. And why do you worry? We'll go and do a lot of shopping for the baby. And then we will go to meet her, okay?
Okay, Mummy.
And you know what? I have made your favorite pancakes for the breakfast.
Pancakes! Yay!
Gattu Chinky become happy again and enjoy the pancakes.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.